Hi everyone, today I will be discussing how to use the Boomi AI Answers agent. So the Boomi AI Answers agent is really awesome because not only can it help you with general how-to stuff, it can also help you with troubleshooting errors you might be seeing. This is trained on all of our help documents, developer documents, and community articles. And so, like I said, you can ask it almost any number of questions. So just for a simple example, I'll say, how do I add a new node to my Linux molecule? So if I've set up a Linux molecule and let's say I let's say it's been a while since I've added a node and I don't remember how, um, I could just type it in right here and it'll search all of our documentation across all of, like I said, across our developer community and help websites, and it's going to give me the steps that it finds there. Um, and it even gives you some code examples of exact commands to run. And then at the end, it's very helpful. It gives you links to the articles that it pulled this information out of. So if you want extra context or any information about it, you can just click those. And as always, you can tell what agent responded by this right here. You can see Boomi Answers responded. So if you use DesignGen, that would respond, or Scribe, etc. Any agent you use, it will always tell you which agent is responding to your request right here. So I hope you found this helpful and good luck using this tool.